Hey, word on the streets that you've got a top-level AI problem that's not fully known, visible, or certain. Oh boy. Ever tried to fix your car with a Swiss Army knife? I didn't think so. Then you get why you shouldn't just throw a machine learning model at complex data. Welcome to Kado, where you'll find your zen. Because we break down the end goal, look at all angles, and figure out how to do things right, like getting machine learning to work with other methods. Oh yeah! So if you started building a model and noticed hardly any learning and a ton of confusion, that's probably because you were asking it to do way too much. Information overload. Or maybe it was smooth sailing until the wind was knocked out of your sails. Mayday! And figuring out the failure totally felt like rocket science. Houston, we have a black box. That's because you didn't know about Kado, where modeling, exploration, and design come to life. How about solving a simple problem by running experiments? Yep, develop the piping you need to prove your concept before you start your build. Working on top-level real-world systems, like smart buildings, self-driving vehicles, and generative design? We know, they're complicated and have a lot of sub-problems. No sweat. With Kado, it's easy to structure a top-level problem. 1. Break it down into sub-problems. 2. Assemble initial solution ideas into an architecture and see those ideas fast. 3. Run experiments and repeat the process piece by piece over and over again. Until, wait for it, you hit your goal, woohoo! Bet you want to learn more about Kado, huh? Subscribe to our channel or visit our website.